Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to again continue our the fourth chapter, that is the heat. In previous classes already we have discussed that there are the three methods of transfer of heat, that is conduction, convection and radiations. But here today we are going to discuss one special water and a special instruments which one is related to our the heat chapter. Okay, so in your daily life, in your home, you have almost all you have seen that this is one bottle that is called as a thermoflask. We are using for keeping or storing the hot water or hot tea in this flask. Okay, so let us start that and let us discuss about this. What is the thermoflask? Thermo means what, friends? Thermo means heat. Flask means it is radiating and keeping storage. Okay, so how it is construction? I have drawn that picture, friends. Here you observe that it is very important to draw that thermoflask. In your exams also it will be help for you. And what are the different parts, how these structures you should observe by the picture also. So before that, first we will discuss about that thermoflask, then we will go for the pictures. Students, thermoflask is a special type of water which does not allow heat loss or heat gain by the materials or object stored in it. This is like a structure is that, friends, inside this whatever that objects, that means if you take that milk or you take the tea or you take the hot water, whatever you will contain, if you keep that, whatever the materials will keep or objects will keep inside it, then it does not lose the heat or it does not gain the heat also. Okay, so that means whatever the temperature it was there, it remain constant for a long time, for 2 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, for it will stay as usual. Okay, students. So this is how it is. We have to observe that the loss or gain of heat minimized in the structure of the thermoflask. That means we cannot say it will stay long lasting, which it won't stay 5 days or 10 days or 1 month. It will be long lasting. That means if you keep outside for suppose hot water, then it will be soon it will become the cool. It will lose its temperature. It will lose its heat. But if you keep it in thermoflask, may it will extend its time. That means if it is suppose within half an hour it will become that cool. For a hot water, if you keep outside or generally outside, then but if you keep in the thermoflask, what will happen? It will stay for the 6 hours or 5 hours according to that quality of the thermoflask. It will be during the times. Okay, so the duration will change. So how it is happening? That it is minimizing. That means that the how much time it will be saved or the how much long lasting that it will be, that it will minimizing that what that strength. Okay, the loss or gain of the heat minimize the structure of the thermoflask. That okay, students. So next, the contents are kept at the same temperature for a long time. I told you whenever we keep for the milk or hot in the thermoflask, it will be stay for a long time. Long time means 2 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, like that. But it won't be stay that 10 days or 5 days or 1 month or 1 year. Okay, for the long time for it will stay. Okay, so let us start with how it is construction, how it is made of. Okay, that's why it is staying that hot water or cold water or whatever we are keeping inside it, that does not lose its temperature, does not loss of its heat. So let us start, friends. Here you should see that here in that this is inner glass, inner layer of glass. You should see the 3 layers are like that, lines are there. 1 layer, this is 2, this is 3. So this layer is called as inner layer of glass. That means that inside that thermoflask, that one made, that is made by glass. Why should made that by glass? Because the glass is the reflecting surface, that smooth surface. So heat will reflect from the smooth surface. So if inside that glass is there, then what will happen? It will be reflect. Okay. The glass, inner layer is glass, which is made by glass layer. And students observe that here is one vacuum is there. That means what is the vacuum is? The empty light. Why should keep the empty? If it will touch to that glass, may that heat by the conduction like that, it will cross from one end to another. So that's why they should keep that empty. Okay, students. Next what will happen? Second layer is, you should observe that here. Second, this is second layer. So observe, this is first layer. This is second layer. Outer layer of the glass coated with the reflecting material. Why should keep that outside also? Inside is the glass, and outside what is that? The reflecting material. What is the reflecting material? That means outside also if any temperature also will come, it will be reflect. It does not want to gain or does not want to loss also. So it will be reflect. That's why it is also material. This is also glass material. Okay. Third layer is stainless steel or outer plastic. This is outside of the thermoplasm. Some thermoplasts are made by plastic coated, or some thermoplasts are made by what is that? Stainless steel. Stainless steel means it is like iron body like, but it does not contain that rust or that is. So next friends, we'll go for this is here black color like it is there. This is for support. Support means this layer, the stainless steel for body to this glass thermoplasm, that is layer that it will be fixed. That means it does not move here there. Otherwise it will break. So for supporting purposes they kept like the thermocol or like that some other cartons like that. You have to they kept for this cover like they can kept. Okay friends. So this is caps for the thermoplasm upper is that one caps like. Okay friends. So it has finished your chapter, the students. So next we will discuss about that exercise part. So we will see that tomorrow. Okay, you have full homework for you. You draw this picture of thermoplasm in your notebook. Draw a neatness figure of thermoplasm. Okay, I hope you have understand about this thermoplasm, and you should see in your home also what is there, thermoplasm is there, and we'll see in the next class about that exercise part. Thank you.